guys, what is up you guys? Welcome back into another video. Today we are playing some Roblox with my friend Jayden. You can say hi to him. He's right here. We're playing a game called like the Epic Game something. So his username is Lingo Slingo. You can go follow him. You can go.
Guys, this is not my main account, okay? So don't be adding me on this account. This is not my main.
Yeah, remember him from that other account that got deleted, Shark Gaming TV. Guys, make sure you go comment down below. R.I.P. R.I.P. Yeah, it's R.I.P. So we're playing like this thing, and I'm stuck in the ground. So guys, how's your day? How's your morning? Tell me if it's good. Oh man. Tell me if your day is good.
A god at this, I'm telling you. Daniel can't be at this.
Yeah, we haven't played this game in a long time. Yeah, I'm talking long time. No, how did you kill me? Wait.
Dude, I swear, you're gonna die.
Yeah.
First, seriously, guys, I'm telling you, I could beat Daniel by far.
For real.
Like, look, I'm even shooting him from afar right now.
Oh no, I have to. No. You're so good at this. I'm telling you guys, he's good at this. It's because I haven't played this game in a very long time. Hold on, guys. Someone's calling me. Hello? Emma? Hello?
Daniel, by spring, you have to be quiet a bit.
Alright. Bye. Sorry, guys. That was just interruption from my mom saying that my dad's praying. We're a Jewish family, so you gotta keep quiet.
Bro, let's go.
Anyway, so from the interruption, just keep playing.
I'm a no scoper, bro.
Bro, I'm so bad at this game. Get over here. Wait, I think I know which gun you're using. Yes! Finally!
Was that a no scope, bro?
I think it was. Alright, let's keep going.
You no scope? I no scope him, bro!
Oh. Good one.
Let's go, man. Go.
Oh my god, I see you. I just dodged every single bullet. And, oh, come on, last shot, boy!
What? Dude, how are you
Headshot.
getting those shots?
Headshot. Oh, I see you. Oh, that was close. What? Oh my god.
Dude, I need to reload.
Hold on, let me check if my thing is recording. Yes, it's recording. Die.
Dude, how am I not getting these shots?
I don't know. It's just that I'm running too fast.
What gun are you using, bro?
The 7th one. Come on. And go. Come on. Ooh, try me. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Yo, this is hard.
Dude, how am I not hitting you?
Oh yes, come on.
Dude, how am I not hitting you?
No.
Bro. Finally, bro.
What is this? What is that? Oh, that's weird. Let me try to get that. Oh, what is that doing there? Anyway, let's just pretend that's not there. I think I see you. Boy, stop trying to hide from me.
Got him, bro.
Alright, you got me. Well, I'll get you this time.
Yo, guys, seriously. If I kill Daniel like 2 more times, you have to like this video, bro.
Alright.
Guys, I'm telling you, Daniel's trash at this.
I'm trash. Yeah,
You are. Look, you just died. You just died, man.
I'm trash apparently.
Guys, this kid thinks he's good.
I never said I was good. Oh! Get right. Get right.
No.
Yo, I have 10% health. Get right. And, oh no, I was still.
Isn't that sad, bro?
What? That you kill me?
Yeah, you just got wrecked. Bro.
Oh! Oh my god, I.
saw you. Yo, you
Dang it. That is
Damn.
some high level. God.
get wrecked.
Wait.
Bro, me and Kyle playing this, and literally he's better than me.
He's better?
Blow your head off. How? Yo, guys, you have to like the video now because I just killed Daniel like 3 times.
Apparently. Where
And make sure you go subscribe to my channel. It's called Faded20K.
Faded 2K, guys, so go subscribe. Link in this description. Link is in the description.
Guys, if you want to be in this game, my name is Mamati09, but my second account is Lingo's Handle.
Which he's playing on now. Bro, you are so good at this game.
Dude, guys, I've been hitting my shots since like we came in the game, bro.
Come on, I need to aim. I need to practice my aiming. Die. Die. Bam.
Guys, guess what? I'm using aimbot, so that's why I'm killing time.
Oh my, you are, oh my god. I see you, bro. Don't think you can hide from me forever. See him right there? Dang it!
Got him, bro.
I see you, guy. I see you. Yes! I almost. Oh man, I thought I killed you.
Yeah, you killed me. You just killed me. Yeah.
Hey.
Dude, I have 20 kills. You have like 4 bombs, bro. Really, Nick?
4 kills. Alright. I see you, bro. Stop hiding from me.
You know you. Yeah, bro. What? How do you know it's there?
Because I have good eyesight.
Ooh, let's go. I blew his head off, bro.
7.
Guys. I have
Bro,
21
you
bombs.
can't hide from me. I see you. Wait, is that you? No. There you are. Dang it.
Dude, you're so trash, bro.
If you guys want to challenge us, then
shout out to Dick for letting me join him in this video.
he keeps on killing me over and over again.
Yo
I
guys,
see
more upcoming videos on Roblox will be on this channel, so make sure you turn on post notifications for Daniel's channel and also my channel, which is also going to be in the description. So make sure you do leave a fat like on this video. Subscribe to Daniel and subscribe to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Daniel.
Peace out, guys. Woo, bye.